With so many AAA titles coming out each year, it is hard to decide what to spend your money on. And with the many new developers on the indie scene, it is safe to say that you don't always have to spend your hard-earned cash in order to enjoy amazing games. So today, I'm bringing you 5 incredible absolutely free games that you can play right now. So let's dive in. In at number 5, Marvel Rivals. Marvel Rivals is a third-person free-to-play PvP game featuring a wide array of Marvel characters. Running on Unreal Engine 5, it shows promise for a large player base due to its engaging gameplay and beloved characters. Marvel's extensive fanbase, stemming from comics and the MCU, creates a strong foundation for player engagement, and the game features unique team-up abilities that allow for strategic gameplay among Marvel characters, enhancing both casual and competitive experiences for players. The game features intense action with various abilities and weapons to wreak destruction while using effective team strategy. It is free to play and available for PC, PS5 and the Xbox One series. Next up is One Punch Man World. If you're a fan of the anime, you're going to love this game. You get to step into the world of One Punch Man and fight alongside iconic characters like Saitama, Genos and more. It is an action-packed RPG that lets you unleash devastating combos and over-the-top abilities against hordes of enemies. What really sets One Punch Man World apart is its smooth combat and faithful adaptation of the anime's insane power levels. And yes, Saitama can one-shot most enemies, but the challenge is in building up your team to face the bigger, more powerful threats. Plus, it is totally free with tons of content and events rolling out regularly. It is available to download for PC, iOS and Android. At number 3, Delta Force Blackhawk Ops. If you're into tactical military shooters, this game is right up your alley. It is based on real-life special forces operations, and the gameplay is all about strategy, teamwork and precision. With a range of missions, from intense firefights to stealth operations, this game really keeps you on your toes. The graphics are stunning, the environments feel immersive, and the gunplay is tight. Plus, it's free. You can team up with your friends or join into the fray solo, but either way, this game is gonna test your tactical skills. And trust me, those intense moments of victory are worth every minute. It is available for PC, PS5, the Xbox series, as well as iOS and Android. At number 2, Zenless Zone Zero. Zenless Zone Zero is an action role-playing game developed by MiHoYo, known for its vibrant art style and engaging gameplay. Set in a post-apocalyptic city called New Eridu, players navigate through a world plagued by mysterious creatures known as Ethereal. The story revolves around combat, exploration and uncovering the secrets behind the strange phenomenon impacting the city. As a proxy, players can form teams with various characters, each with unique abilities, to confront challenges and unravel the narrative. The game follows an anime art style with interesting characters and a healthy dose of humor. Some elements of JRPG and an engaging storyline will definitely keep you interested throughout the game. It is available for PC, PS5, Android and iOS. And finally at number 1 is Once Human, a survival horror MMO that throws you into a post-apocalyptic world filled with terrifying creatures and mind-bending environments. You will be scavenging for resources, building up your base, and fighting off monsters as you try to survive this eerie, desolate world. What's really cool about Once Human is its mix of survival, horror, and crafting mechanics. The atmosphere is dark, the world is brutal, and there's a constant sense of danger that keeps you on edge. Best of all, it's free to play, with a ton of content that will keep you hooked for hours. Just make sure to watch your back. You never know what's lurking around the corner. It is available to play for free on PC, iOS, and Android. And that's a wrap for today, folks. Which one of these games are you keen on playing now? Let me know in the comments section below, and stay tuned for more games. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.